Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, August 6th, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. How's it going this morning? I need this coffee to wake up.
Hi, David. I'm okay, thanks. The coffee smells good today. It helps when I'm feeling tired.
Yeah, it does. I saw some news this week. Let me share one about international economics first. There's a new trade agreement between the US and South Korea. It lowers tariffs to 15%.
Oh, really? That's helpful for businesses. How does it work?
Well, it means cheaper imports for us. Our company might get materials at lower costs. That could make sales easier for me.
I understand. We deal with supplies every day. It might save money on our projects. Do you think it will affect our work soon?
I think so. Less costs mean more profit. I'm always busy with customers, so this is good news. What do you think as a project manager?
It sounds positive. We can plan better with lower prices. And what about technology news? I heard something about a new app.
Right. There's a new app for tracking projects. It's for remote teams like ours. You can use it on your computer to see updates anytime.
That sounds useful. I'm always checking deadlines. Does it help with meetings?
Yes, it does. You add tasks and get reminders. No more forgetting things in our busy days. I read about it in the news.
Great, I need something simple. Technology changes fast, and I'm tired of complicated tools. How does it make our jobs easier?
It keeps everything in one place. For example, you can share files quickly. That saves time for me in sales.
I see. Time is important in my role. We have so many meetings and emails. Let's talk more about that later. Now, what about culture news? Is there something on entertainment?
Sure, there's a big music festival coming up. It's attracting many people from different places. I think it's this month.
Oh, that's exciting. I like music events. Which bands are playing?
There are famous ones, like popular singers and groups. People are talking about it a lot. It's a good way to relax after work.
Yes, work is so busy. A festival could be fun. Do you go to these often?
Not every time, but I try. It helps when I'm stressed. Back to the trade agreement. I heard South Korea will invest $350 billion in US projects.
Wow, that's a lot. It could mean new jobs here. How will that help our company?
It might bring more business our way. For example, if they build new factories, we could sell more products. I'm excited about that.
Me too. As a project manager, I deal with plans every day. Cheaper materials would make things smoother. What else did you read about the app?
The app has features like real-time updates. You can see who's working on what from your computer. It's perfect for remote teams.
That helps a lot. I'm always on calls with my team. Does it work on phones too?
Yes, it does. You can check it anywhere. I think it's easy to learn even if you're busy like me.
Good, because I don't have time for hard things. Now about the music festival, when is it exactly?
I think it's around now in August. There are big stages with lights and everything. People say it's the best one yet.
Sounds amazing. I might watch some videos online. Music makes me happy after a long day at the office.
Me too. I listen to it while working on my computer. Okay, let's go back to the trade deal. Do you think other countries will do the same?
Maybe. It's good for the economy. We could see more agreements soon. That would help global business.
Exactly. As a sales rep, I talk to international clients a lot. Lower tariffs mean better deals for everyone.
True. In my projects, we use parts from different countries. This can make planning easier. Tell me more about the app's benefits.
Well, it tracks progress step by step. For example, you set deadlines and get notifications. That way you don't miss anything important.
I like that. I'm always organizing tasks. It sounds better than our old system.
Yeah, our old one is slow. This new app is modern and fast. I saw a review saying it's user-friendly.
User-friendly is key. I get tired of learning new software. Now, for the festival, are there any tickets left?
I don't know, but it's popular. Maybe we can check online later. It's a great event for fun.
Yes, fun is important. We work hard all week. Do you have any plans for it?
Not yet, but I'd like to go if I can. It could be a nice break. Back to economics, this agreement might change trade forever.
You're right. It's a big step. Our company could grow because of it. What do you think about the app for our daily work?
I think it's a game changer. You can collaborate with your team easily. No more long emails about updates.
That would save time. I'm busy with meetings every morning. The app could make things faster.
Absolutely. And for the music festival, I heard there are food stalls and games too.
Oh, that sounds fun. I love trying new foods. It's like a little holiday.
Yeah, exactly. Now let's think about how the trade deal affects us directly. For me, as a salesperson, it means more competitive prices.
For me, it means better budget control in projects. We can allocate money more efficiently.
Right? And the app will help track those budgets. It's all connected.
It is. Technology really helps in modern offices. What else is good about the festival?
It's not just music. There are artists and performances. People from all over come. It's a social thing.
That must be nice. I try to go out more. Work keeps me inside a lot.
Me too, but we need balance. Okay, one more thing on the trade agreement. I read that it's part of a bigger plan.
What plan? Tell me.
It's about making trade fairer. The U.S. wants better deals with allies.
That makes sense. We need strong partnerships. Now about the app, is it free or do we pay?
I think there are free versions. You can start with that and see.
Good idea. I'm always careful with new tools. Lastly, for the festival, maybe we can chat about it tomorrow.
Sure, that works. It's been a good talk. I feel more awake now.
Me too. Thanks for sharing the news. See you later at the meeting.
No problem. Have a good day, Alex.
You too, David. Time to get back to work.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.